Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about something that lives inside every one of us: the power to transform, the power to come back, the power to rise even when everything around you is falling apart. Not in 10 years, not someday, but in the next 100 days. 100 days, 2,400 hours. That's all. And yet, inside these 100 days lies the power to rewrite the story of your life. Because transformation doesn't begin with a miracle. It begins with a decision. A decision that says, enough. I refuse to live the same day on repeat. I refuse to let my past define my future. I refuse to let excuses be stronger than my goals. We all fall. We all break. We all lose. But what separates those who rise from those who stay down is a simple truth. Comebacks are built, not gifted. And the blueprint for your comeback starts today. Day 1, the realization. The first day is not about winning. It's about waking up to who you are and who you've become. It's about being brutally honest. Where did I lose myself? What habits buried my potential? Which fears kept me small? Because you cannot transform what you refuse to face. Day 10, the discipline begins. Transformation is not motivation. Motivation fades. Discipline is born when you do things you don't want to do. On day 10, the excitement slows. Your body resists. Your mind argues. Your old habits pull you back. But it is in these moments you must remember. The old you must die for the new you to be born. Every rep, every early morning, every sacrifice, these are not struggles. They are the bricks of your comeback. Day 25, the quiet zone. Around day 25, something powerful happens. People stop noticing your effort. Your results are still small. Your progress is invisible. This is the moment where most people quit. But winners, they keep going even when nobody claps. They build in silence so they can shine in power. Remember, the seed grows underground before it grows above the ground. Your transformation is taking shape even if the world can't see it yet. Day 40, the shift. By day 40, you begin to feel something new. The storm inside you starts to calm. You become more focused, more disciplined, more alive. Your mind is sharper. Your confidence is rising. Your energy is returning. This is the moment you realize, I am not the same person who started. I am becoming something better. Day 60, breaking the old identity. Day 60 is war. Not with the world, with the voice inside that says, you will fail again. You've changed before and went back. You are not meant for greatness. But your comeback demands you fight this voice. Declare it loudly. I am rewriting my identity. I am no longer controlled by my past. I choose the strongest version of myself. This is the halfway point where most people slow down. You will speed up. Day 75, the power zone. Around day 75, habits become natural. Discipline becomes automatic. Your body adapts. Your mind evolves. Your actions align with your goals. You're no longer forcing yourself. You're flowing. And there is nothing more powerful than a human being who has control over their mind, body, and time. This is the stage where your comeback becomes real. Day 90, the new you emerges. By day 90, you see your results. Your effort becomes visible. People around you start to ask, what happened to you? How did you change so fast? What triggered this? But they don't understand what you went through. They didn't see the nights you fought your emotions. They didn't see the mornings you disciplined your thoughts. They didn't see the battles you fought in silence. This transformation did not happen overnight. It happened because you decided you would not quit. Day 100, the comeback. And then the final day arrives. Day 100. You look in the mirror, and for the first time in years, you respect the person you see. Not because they're perfect, not because they're fearless, but because they chose to fight, because they didn't give up, because they turned their pain into power. Your comeback is not luck. It is not magic. It is not an accident. It is proof that you are stronger than your past, braver than your fears, and more powerful than every excuse you ever made. The message: if you want to transform, truly transform, you don't need permission. You need 100 days of relentless focus, 100 days of discipline, 100 days of proving to yourself that you are capable of more than you have ever imagined. Your comeback starts the moment you decide, this time, I will not quit. So stand up, look forward, and say it with your chest. The next 100 days will not break me. They will build me. This is my comeback. This is my transformation. This is the beginning of the strongest version of me. Thank you.